Volunteers from all over the United States and Canada have descended on Amory for a massive rebuilding project led by Tupelo-based 8 Days of Hope. WCBI's Chad Gruning traveled to Amory and files this report.
The catastrophic tornado struck on the night of March 24, 2023, but the cleanup and repairs are ongoing. So Steve Tybor, founder and president of 8 Days of Hope, has assembled an army of 1,800 volunteers from 39 states and Canada to rebuild or repair around 130 homes in the coming week.
In Mississippi a year ago, there was loss of life. Thousands of families had their homes damaged, their businesses, their churches, and now we all come together. And so to me, when we leave here next week, we're going to end up doing over $2 million of work. These families are going to feel like they took a huge step forward, and so, we're excited to play a small part of that.
Many churches and organizations have sent volunteers, including the Tupelo-based American Family Association, which broadcasted live on American Family Radio during the event. Walker Wildman is vice president of AFA, which has a long history with 8 Days of Hope.
The American Family Association has worked with 8 Days of Hope since the very beginning in 2005, just after Katrina. So we're coming up on nearly 20 years of partnership with 8 Days of Hope, and thousands of homes rebuilt, thousands of families impacted, and so the partnership goes back from the very beginning.
Meadowood Baptist Church is the base of operations for this week's massive 8 Days of Hope project, which comes almost a year after the devastating tornado rocked this community. And you don't have to venture too far to see that there are many people who still haven't returned to their homes. Leonis Hubbard of Amory is thankful that a crew is replacing her roof.
I just think it's a blessing, not only my roofing, everywhere, everybody's that need it, that in need. 8 Days of Hope.
Ella Moore doesn't live too far from Hubbard. She needs a massive paint job.
I've been staying with my daughter and my grandkids, and I'm grateful for 8 Days of Hope for being here, to help me out so I can move back into my home. So, I'm so grateful.
Hubbard hopes that she can move back into her home in a couple of months. Telling her story in Amory, Chad Gruning, WCBI News.
The 8 Days of Hope team will wrap up things on Saturday, May 16th.